I'll better get away from the guard. You normally do, as it sort of see. He's down there, you can see him. Well, he goes back, he'll probably wave me. Look at bus drivers. But the train driver's too busy driving the train, you see, so. It happened before. This ridiculous thing. I don't know, these trains get already. You don't know how long they are. There he's off. Oh, okay.
The next train to arrive at platform.
Oh, wow, platform! Yay! There's lots of it. These are platform
This is the service from London Paddington.
If I go to that bridge and film the trains and. I've got a pistol. Oh, you go into the film. Right then, here we go. He's off to London Paddington. Last stop. Came from Hereford, this train did. So I have to go up the Great Malvern.
Platform 4 for the 18.
Oh, this is the guard waits to me. He's here.
Western service to
There's all others standing there.
calling at Burnham.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Ah, there he is. Last 43, 61. No time to wedding. We want no time to wedding. I know. Takes forever that one was. So funny these little things then, no Atlantis today. Oh well. Banbury's going to.